guys, so today we have a new vlog, and today's vlog guys, I'm gonna show you how to balance vertically the Sony A7S Mark III with the Sony G Master 2470 on the Ronin RS3 Minis. I'm gonna show you how to balance vertically. So without further ado, but again, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you should be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video, and tutorial. So without further ado, let's start now guys. First, we need to remove this piece. Yeah, just remove this piece and we're gonna use this this plate. Yeah, we're gonna use this plate and attach here. Make sure that this red thing or clock is in the top. So must be this position. Next is we will attach the camera. So I put already the plate to be fast, close. Make sure that it's locked. Yeah. And first we're gonna balance this part. So unlock this part and it's heavy. So we need to forward it. Can you come closer please? And I will show you here. So first we're gonna balance this area. So unlock until we're gonna get the balance, and then lock. Next gonna point up, but see it's hitting from down, so we'll unlock this part and we make up or forward. Mhm. Okay, yeah, and make up. Okay, so now it's heavy here, make a balance. Okay, lock. It's heavy here, so I need to forward a little. Yeah, see it's locked and locked. See, and it's still heavy, so we need to make it forward. Okay, lock. And now you have not 100% balance, but at least it's balance. Not 100%, but it's balance. Okay. Yeah, lock. Make sure all this lock. Okay. Next, yeah, we have already not 100% balance, but at least, yeah. Okay, so this one we can make backwards. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Lock. Now it's balanced. See? Next is this part. Next is this part. See? It's heavy here, so okay. Yeah, then lock. Okay. So now we have at least balance, but not 100%. So we can try to turn on the camera at the DJI RS3, and it's clean, meaning it's balanced. So still we need to make a calibrate and uh, okay. So it's done. Yeah, it's perfect. Now we have a balance A7S Mark III vertical to the Ronin RS3. See guys, up, can pan up, down, left, right. There's no any issue. Perfect. And yeah. So what do you think, Mr. Pensu? Very good. Yeah, again guys, so yeah, if you have any question, you can comment down below. Again, perfect, it balanced. Sony A7S3 with 2470 G Master version 1, of course, and the Ronin RS3 Mini. So again, that's it for today's vlog guys. Again, if you have any question or suggestion, you can comment down below. So, Sony A7S Mark III with 2470 and RS3 Mini. It's perfect. If you want to check the price and availability of this product from DJI and Sony, you can visit our website www.avworld.com. So yan, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and shout out kay Pinsu.
Thank you.
Sa likod ng camera, si Aji. Thank you. Yan. Thank you and mabuhay.